Now this is another question. Given the progression 5, 8, 11, 14, find the expression for the nth term of the progression. Now we have 5, 8, 11, 14. Now in this case the first number is a. That means a is 5, and common difference can say 8 minus 5, which is 3, and we are looking for the nth term. That means we are looking for Tn. So now in this case, based on the formulas I gave you, what do I say nth term represents? So the nth term of an AP is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into brackets d. So Tn, what is a? A is 5, that is the nth term, plus, that is the first term, so plus n, because we are looking for n, times d, common difference is 3. So the nth term is 5 plus 3n minus 3. 3 will open the bracket, 3 times n, 3n, 3 times 1, then minus 3. So Tn, so 5 minus 3, that will be 2. That is 2 plus 3n. So answer. So look at the option. You see you have 3n plus 2. So that means 2 plus 3n can also be 3n plus 2. If you change it, stay the same. So we have solved the question. So let's see another question. Now this is another question. Given that 443 is the nth term of the sequence, that means we already know 443 as our nth term. So given that the nth 443 is the nth term of the sequence, then the sequence are 5, 8, 11. So in this sequence, the first term is 5. Common difference is 8 minus 5, which is 3. Now, which formula are we going to use to find our n? We already know Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into bracket d. So what is our Tn is given as 443. So 443 is equals to a, that is 5, plus n minus 1 into bracket d. So d is 3. So now this will be 443 equals 5 plus 3n minus 3. Collect the like terms. So 443 equals to 3n plus 2. Why? Because 5 minus 3 is 2. So 443 is equals to collect like terms. So 443 minus 2 equals 3n. This is plus 2. If we take it to the other side, it becomes minus 2. So 3n equals to 441. So n is what? 441 divided by 3. So n is 1. 3 times 4, 12. Then 3 times 7, 21. So then 441 divided by 3. That means n is 147. Answer. Now all this thing now, it may look like it is long, but let me show you one approach if you can grab fast. Now look at this approach. I'll use this same approach, and I've solved a question like this too before, but let me use it here. So anytime question says you should find the nth term, and anytime question says you should find n, rather, it's easy to do it this way. See what I'll do here. So if question asks you to find n, you will just need to know your common difference. What's your common difference here? 8 minus So your common difference here is 8 minus 5. So your common difference is 3. So now if you have known your common difference, so just say n, that is number of time. This bracket, if you say this bracket here, we always use it for greatest integer function. So but you may not need that, because it simply means any decimal, ignore decimal number. So that's it. So now what is the total number of nth term? 443. That will be 443 divided by the common difference. So that is, we ignore decimal points. So now divide 443 divided by 3. 443 divided by 3. So that is 147. Normally we get 147.66. Now this greatest integer function means you should ignore decimal points. Ignore decimal points. So answer will be 147. So B is correct. So hope you get that method. The method is easy. Again, to use the method, know your common difference. After you know your common difference, just say n is, they will surely give you, or you know your last term, or you know your nth term. Either last term or nth term, anyone you know, you write it first, divided by that your common difference. So anything you get, ignore decimal. If there is decimal, pick only the whole number. Answer. So instead of passing through this stage, so you can easily do it this way, you still get the same answer. So let's proceed.